What's up, guys? Johnny here. Welcome back. Today we're in Indianapolis, IndyGP, their second race. Big, huge event for the Northwest or North Central, Midwest, whatever you want to call us, North Central region. We got people from 7 states here. Best competition you're going to see outside of a big multi-GP race. When we saw the list showing up and we saw Nurk and Jawz and JRod, we're just like, you know what? Beastmode, we got to get down there, got to do some racing, and just the list just got so big, so stacked. We got to think 11 of the top 12 guys out of the North Central. We got Alex Campbell, the chief, in here to show us how it's done from down south. Just nothing but stacked people, just super pumped. Should be some great day of racing. Supposed to have 35-mile-an-hour winds out there, but hey man, it should be great. We got a 70-foot tall gate. Just, man, I can't wait to get ripping. Having a great time. I am so lucky. Alright guys, just finished up the practice out here in Indy, doing the IndyGP. The course is really fun. Enjoying it a whole lot, especially that tall gate, 70 feet tall just as you're going up. Having a little bit of trouble with it. I've hit it a few times, but man, the course is a whole lot of fun. Anyway, we're about to go into qualifying. We do 5 rounds of qualifying, drop 1, so you best 4 or 5. The goal here is to be in the top 6, and with this competition, top 6 is going to mean a whole lot. So that's my goal today. Let's go get it done. The thing that's making it real tough today is the wind. It's actually gusting up to 35 miles an hour. So tough flying, especially when you go up high. Just another element to racing, but we're having a great time. What do you think, Sean? Beautiful day for a drone race?
Oh my gosh, that was ridiculous. That was the nuttiest time I've ever had on a drone racing track. Oh man, I mean, I got 3 laps. I should have got 4. I missed the second gate, you know, the elevated gate before going to the split S. And when you come off your line in this wind, and you try to do something kind of fine or turn around, like it's just impossible with it's pushing you. It's nuts.
Oh man, Chief doesn't seem to have a problem doing 5 laps. All right, guys, 4 rounds in the books. Sitting with 12 laps, not the best 12 laps, but it should work, hopefully, at least for the B mains at worst. But I'm gonna go ahead and just send it. It's just, this wind is probably 40 plus miles an hour, the heaviest wind I've ever flown in. It is real tough flying out there. But you know what, again, we're having fun. Hopefully calm down a little bit for the mains, and I'll have a shot to do well in those mains. All right, guys, just completed round 5 qualifying, got my 5 laps. Super bad video. I think it was actually the clear view goggle module that I was running, just not working at all out here. I switched over to a rapid fire. Hopefully that's gonna provide better results. Always had good results with rapid fire as long as it was working in mode 2. This is actually batch 2, so I'm gonna try mode 1. Hopefully that works, but I'm hoping that 5 laps is good enough to put me into the top 4. That'd be the final AAA mains, and top 6 are guaranteed money. So fingers crossed, let's see how we finish up. All right, guys, 3 inches on a 5-inch race. Here we go. Race for $100 first of 2 laps. Let's get it done. Let's go. All right, guys, second place in the 3-inch on a 5-inch race. Captain Nurk over here took me down, beat me by, what, a second and a half? Dude, I felt like I was in DRL for a second.
That's there, what right? It honestly felt like flying a Racer 3. Like, you don't know how much power you're gonna get. You're sending it for like it made the whole course feel like twice as big, right? It made it feel like it was a massive course.
Yeah, and I couldn't make a turn to save my life. But it was, like,
I know, like,
it was a lot of fun though.
I put my camera tilt way down. I was just like, because I was worried like when you dip in, you lose throttle, right? So like I was worried it was gonna just dip into the ground.
Yeah, it took me a while. I didn't change my camera tilt, so like at first I was trying to just like look up and fly. I'm like, no, I can do this. All right, a little bit more, a little bit more. And I think you were like 6.5 seconds ahead after one lap.
Yeah.
All right, let's just go with this thing.
And then I missed 2 gates, and like all of a sudden you were right there.
You're giving
like,
me a chance.
I can hear all the Detroit guys like, "Hi, get him!" I'm like, no.
We've justified our sin, and we're gonna take you on a ride till we find answers within. Location not here, in shadows we all disappear. Hold on, switch gears, we're gone as fast as we appeared.
All right, guys, we're leaving, heading home right now. Marshall's taking us home. Just finished up. Super windy, but the track was absolutely amazing as long as it was standing up. So we had a good time. Long drive for us, but a lot of fun. Just cold and miserable now at this point. Can't wait to get home, get in bed, warm it up. But yeah, what can I say? We had fun. We did all right. We finished 4th place. Barely missed it on 3rd place, so no trophy for me. A little bit of prize money, but not much else. Qualified 2nd, super proud of that. And yeah, just got to keep going, keep working, keep getting better. And hope you enjoyed this. I had fun. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.